So I just got dropped off the bus and now I need to find some accommodation. I just had a quick look, see if there's anything nearby, and I think there's like maybe some bungalows or maybe a hostel, maybe a kilometer from here. So just got on my gear, gonna head down. Good thing I did leave a little bit earlier because I don't want to be doing this thing at night time. And yeah, this national park, I don't really know too much about it. I know it's quite big, so I'm gonna make my way to venture tomorrow. So hopefully the weather holds up. It has been a bit up and down, but I think this one should be alright, fingers crossed. Found myself a hostel. I quickly just like googled booking.com and this came up as the cheapest one. It actually was advertised for 200 baht a night on the website, and I came here and I'm like, oh yeah, it's 200 baht, and she's like, nah, it's 150. I'm like, even better. So today is just gonna be chilling. Tomorrow I am climbing the mountains, the national park. Now I'm gonna show you from here. This is the view from my little room. Yeah, maybe I'll get some good shots, make it look like some Mac wallpaper shit, because that's what it kind of looks like from here. But I'm pretty tired, I'm pretty hungry, pretty whatever. I'm in holiday mode, so I can do just whatever the fuck I want. Good morning. Today is the day I go to Khao Sok National Park, and I'm not actually doing the tours. The tours are 1 or 2 days, and they are a little bit on the pricey side just because you know, it is a full day kind of thing. But when you're an out budgeter backpacker, you know, you gotta save those pennies. So I'm just gonna go walk the park by myself. Got my headphones, got a few things that'll keep me preoccupied the whole day. I haven't eaten breakfast. I'm not planning to eat much till the end of the day, just so I'm pretty light, so I can stay active throughout the whole thing. So I'm gonna bring you with me and I'm gonna show you the national park, okay? Feels nice putting shoes on again after you've been Birkenstocking about 95% of the trip. 300 baht entry, and it begins. What's up, buddy? Oh shit, I'm gonna get jumped.
Bend your chest open so I can read your heart. I need to get inside, or I will start a war. Wanna look at the pieces that make you who you are. I wanna build you up and pick you apart. Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside.
So this is the first checkpoint. I'm pretty sure this is a camping ground, so you can bring your tent, stay here in the night, stay here in the jungle. But mine's just a day trip, so keep going.
Inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you.
I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you can see like all these like dragonflies. It's pretty cool. Yeah, this is probably not my best angle. These fat cheeks They go with the gravity.
I'm gonna love you inside out. Can I pick your brain and get to know your thoughts, so I can read your mind when you don't wanna talk? And can I touch your face before you go? I'll collect your scales, but you don't have to.
Today's the day that I've pretty much had the first day this whole trip just to myself. Haven't talked to anyone while on this hike. Just a little bit of a sawadee cup. And it's been really good because I've had time to kind of process this everything, because you know, it's been go, 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 go. So just kind of just like, you know, having my own time where I've been thinking about this trip and where I'm going and how much I'm loving this kind of journey so far. And I think it's healthy, especially when you're solo traveling, to take that little bit of a time out to yourself. Go swim in the waterfalls by yourself. Just one day where you can give yourself that proper relaxation without having to exhaust that jaw like I'm doing now. But that's for you guys.
Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out.
If nature says no, there's always another way. I was just about to jump all in and some motherfucking thing bit me. So my national park tour, my own tour, has finally finished. Took about maybe 5 hours. Just got back, had a shower. My hostel, or the whole town, I think pretty much the whole park, it doesn't have any power, so everyone doesn't know what the fuck to do. I feel sorry for some of these businesses because they have some like freezers here, and you know, if you do leave them off for a number of hours or whatever, they are gonna melt, and that means all the stock's gonna be no good. So I went and got some wasabi peas. I told myself this trip no packet food, but I kind of wanted a little snack and I didn't want to pay full amount, just backpacking style. So hopefully the power comes back, then I can work out what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go head to Koh Samui tomorrow and just work a few things out. But it was a really good day. It was really good hike. The weather did hold off, so it was working in my favor and for everyone else that's in this town, except the power. Just dropped my bags at the capsule hostel in Suratthani. Now I'm just gonna be here for one night. Not much going on in this place from what I hear. Gonna go to Koh Samui, I think, and then hop around. The full moon party's on the 14th and I wasn't planning to go, but hey, when in Thailand, you might as fucking well. So yeah, just gotta sort the ticket out, get some food now, and get myself ready for tomorrow. Dumplings of some sort. And this is meal number 2. We got omelette and some other stuff. Looks good.